Okay, house hunting and Netflix, what do they have in common? Well, raise your hand if you've ever looked for something to watch on Netflix for so long that you realize it's time to go to bed and you just spent the night watching previews. Same, it happens a lot. Well, here's what Netflix and house hunting can have in common. So if you start your home search without really digging into the features you want in a house, like the lifestyle that you want to create and what your deal breakers are, you're going to feel a lot like one of those nights filled with Netflix previews, only this time it's going to be home previews. So here are 3 things you can do right now to get your home search on the right track so you can eliminate the overwhelm. Okay, so the first thing is to write down a list of your top 3 must-haves. So think of the features that you can't change, like a specific school district or a location or a specific layout. And the second thing is to write down any major deal breakers and do not look at houses that have them. So the third thing is to determine what kind of work that you're willing to do versus not do. So maybe you're okay with some paint refreshing and bathroom updates, but you don't want to get into any major renovations. So keep that top of mind when you're looking online. Be sure to stick to those 3 lists to prevent being distracted by homes that aren't the right fit. You don't need massive amounts of options like Netflix gives you when it comes to your home search. You just need the right options.